Welcome, REALME is a Redmi X50 Pro, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM into the device. Now before we get started, you will need a SIM eject tool, as I have one right here. It comes provided with the device in a box, so you can find it somewhere in there. Or you can also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should just work as well. And from there you want to pop out the tray, which is located at the bottom of the phone. You can see that it popped out. From here, simply pull it out and you will have access to two different SIM trays, one on each side, as you will see. So you can place it on either side, doesn't really matter. From there you want to insert it back, and that's about all it takes. Now I should have a PIN confirmation for my SIM card, so I'm gonna do that right now. There we go. So that is how you would insert it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.